Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install nmap on Ubuntu 24.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. Open terminal, first update the packages, sudo apt update, provide the password of sudo user. We have successfully updated, Ctrl A. Now install the nmap, sudo apt install nmap, hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, you are installing nmap 7.94. See, we have successfully installed nmap. Now verify nmap version. See, we have installed nmap 7.94. Okay. Also install zenmap by running same sudo Ctrl L sudo apt install zenmap, hit enter, type A and hit enter. nmap is the command line tool, zenmap is the GUI tool for the nmap. Okay, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications. See, here we have the zenmap. Open it. Now we can perform the scans. See, here we have the different scans. We click on drop down. See, here we have the different scans. Just we have to give target information like IP or host name or host address. Then we have to click on scan. Then it will populate all information. So I am giving localhost. Then click on scan. See, it is intent scan. See, it populated this information. Okay, even if you copy this one, go to the terminal, paste it. This is the nmap command. See, both are same. Okay, so if you want like intense ping scan, just select it and click on. See, we got the information. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install both nmap and zenmap on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.